Hi everyone, my name is Miss Ashley, and today I'm going to be reading a story for infants and younger toddlers called Farm Animals. And on the front of our cover we have a baby sheep. Baby sheep say what? Baa. Okay, let's go to our first page. On our first page we have a cow. Cows come in lots of colors. This one is spotted, black and white. And this one is just all white with a black nose and black ears. This cow looks like a calf. That's a baby cow, a calf. And what does a cow say? Moo. On our next page, we have a hen. A hen is a female chicken. Here we have a picture of a hen, the mama, sitting on an egg, and a baby chick. Does anybody know what the chicken says? Buck, 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 buck. What about the little chick? Beep, 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 beep. On the next page, we have pigs. Pigs are so cute. This pig has pink skin and a little bit of hair. Some pigs have spots on them. And the pig says, on our next page, we have some ducks. This duck is the daddy duck. He's called a mallard. This is the mama duck. And these are her baby ducklings. Do you know what a duck says? And lastly, we have sheep. This is the mama sheep, and this is her baby sheep. Look how fluffy they both are. They're covered in wool. Do you remember what a sheep says? That's right, baa. And that's the end of our story. Thank you.